everybody, today I'm going to be making a spice blend of Sazon, which is basically like a magic spice blend in Latin American dishes. It's used in a lot of like Puerto Rican and Dominican recipes and stuff like that I've found online. But it's really one of those spice mixes that if you don't have a large ethnic community in your area, it's hard to find the spice mixes, and you can order them online, but they're quite expensive. I looked in the store, and the Sazon seasoning packets, they come in like little envelopes from Goya, I believe it is, and there's like 2 or 3 in a thing. Like they look like yeast packets, and they were like $3 or $4 for like 3 of them. I'm like, I don't want to pay that for this amount of seasoning that I'm sure I could buy the ingredients in bulk and make my own. Now, I wasn't able to find one of the main ingredients, which is this is ground achiote spice, but it says in the recipe that you can use turmeric instead. I did find a chili spice that was achiote chili or something, chili spice. So I'm going to use a combination of, well, we're just going to add it in my recipe. I'm going to add like 1 tablespoon of turmeric, because it said you can substitute turmeric because it's basically the spice that makes the rice yellow in like different Puerto Rican rices and stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of this achiote chili spice. Like, it can't go wrong. But basically I bought like all the ingredients to make this for like $3, and it makes way more than like an ounce packet. So, and there's going to be leftover of the spices because I use those spices in my everyday cooking. But this is just a spice blend. So come with me and see what we're going to do. Make it in this reused glass jar. I think it had pesto sauce or whatever in it. And the recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of coriander,